This is Greece, a mythical country to say the least. The perfect place for a romantic holiday, spending unforgettable moments with your significant other, enjoying the warm, clear waters of the island, witnessing some of the most stunning views in the world.
And if you watched my videos before, you know you're in for an adventure.
I lost my GoPro!
This is just not freaking real.
Do you like the temperatures?
So strong here! I told them that I lost my drone, if I may be allowed to go and look for it.
Oh my god.
Greece isn't just a place, it's a feeling. So make sure to subscribe and join us on this epic journey.
This is the final island of our backpacking adventure through Greece, Zakynthos Island. I have to admit though that this is my all-time favorite part of the journey and I couldn't wait to reach here. We just arrived in the port and after a short bus ride we arrived at our camping site.
Okay, my friends, this is our tent. This is Alikes in Zakynthos. This is on the east side of the island, so it is really hot outside. We have like at least 35-36 degrees, at times even 38, but hey, that's how it is, right? We're starting now and see what we can see. So we have been riding now for the last 16 kilometers and we have reached the most northern part of Zakynthos, and this is what we found. Up there is a lighthouse. Maybe we go there too, maybe not, but it's on our way. How is it so far? How do you like the temperatures?
No. No. This is
Inhumane.
inhumane.
Yeah, let's go to the scooter and
Let's just
yeah,
go
or
home.
let's go to the we're going to the Blue Caves or to some beach and whatever. Let's see which other points we have on the map saved. Yeah, cool, nice. Hey! And I am going to go on a mission. Here the gate is closed for the scooters, but maybe I can just do this. Maybe I can just go around the fence and film a bit around and then continue the journey to the Blue Caves. I don't really think it's a good idea to bring the drone up here in the air because there's really not much to show. But yeah, this is the lighthouse in Scenic Lighthouse, and a nice Greek flag. So down there you can go down the stairs like this and you can take the glass bottom boat to reach the caves, and there is where I filmed before from the most northern part on the rocks. Now it's time to hit the road and go a bit further.
With the entire day on our hands and a scooter to bring us anywhere we wanted, we headed to the Blue Caves and the Potamis dive spot, and both of them are located at the most northern tip of Zakynthos. There are so many amazing viewpoints in Zakynthos and the landscape is gorgeous. Make sure to check the next episode. The views left a lifelong lasting impression on me. The water here was irresistible, and although I'm not a great swimmer, this wouldn't stop me from jumping in the water.
That's for the money shot now.
Go on.
3, 2, 1.
Nice.
Yes, we just tried now to reach this famous shipwreck on the west coast of Zakynthos, northwest, but due to the high risk of fires in the forest, there's a police officer down this road, and she told me that I cannot go through the roads and reach that viewpoint. So on Wednesday we will be able to visit the shipwreck. Yeah, so, but for now we go to a beach and have some nice time there. Wow, this is a cave! Yo, this is crazy. Look like this. Dang! Holy shit, look, it's dragging me out! This would be a dope ass thumbnail. Actually not a thumbnail, because anyway it's too dark. Wow, baby.
This cave was so much fun. I've never been in such a place before and definitely a first time for me. It was a very special moment and a surreal experience to be there. This is just the beginning of the adventure on Zakynthos. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like and hype this video, hit subscribe, and I see you in the next one. Thanks a lot for watching.